Concentrations in tanks at each stage of the coating line are analyzed within the principles of accuracy and precision. Negative situations that may arise during the coating process are analyzed in advance through error measurement processes to ensure production stability under the best conditions. Coating thickness measurement processes, calibration, and accuracy are ensured by certified devices. R&D studies are carried out in our facility laboratory. Optimization studies are carried out in the name of time quality to produce products of sustainable quality. To continuously maintain peak performance of the main coating baths, we conduct coating simulation tests. We identify shortcomings in advance. Thus, the tank's performance is constantly maintained at maximum. Our plant operates completely automatically. Thanks to prescriptions programmed using the appropriate software, operations are performed by 5 robots working simultaneously. Thus, the margin for error associated with the human factor is reduced to a minimum. In this way, we know for certain that our products are produced with high quality. Corrosion resistance tests are carried out by taking samples from products on which the coating process has been completed. These tests are performed in accordance with ASTM B117 ISO 9227 standards. Our products meet customer requirements and provide performance that exceeds the minimum requirements of international standards. This is proof that we have an effective process. Fabio Air Springs, we've got your back.